Welcome back on the VST channel, guys. Samsung S23 Ultra just days, weeks before the official launch of the S24 series and the S24 Ultra, and Samsung still updating Samsung applications, new versions of Samsung account, reminder, the calendar, tips, the cloud platform, and also TTS. In this video I'm going to focus on the reminder and the Samsung calendar. Why? Well, it's very obvious because they have changelog, so there's actually something we can check and see. So apparently the reminder right now goes with the version 12.5.0126 from 26th of December. Everybody celebrating Christmas? No, Samsung were working 30 megabytes, and the changelog says that now you can change the background images for the full screen alerts and also pin categories and set category icons, which you cannot do right now. I'm gonna show you. And also the Samsung calendar. Samsung calendar update is a bit bigger. I do believe it's 52 megabytes. Version goes with 12.5.0126 on the 26th of December, guys. And yet there are some new things. Event alert, background screen customization, sticker usability enhancements, and calendar style settings preview screen. So I'm going to update the Samsung calendar and also the reminder, and yeah, try to show you the new features and the new functions. And I'm not really sure who's working on the 26th of December at Samsung, but apparently, yep, they pushed those updates exactly on the 26th of December. If you want to check them out, open the Samsung Galaxy Store, this icon here, and you should be getting the updates. If not, guys, there is also a way for you to download and use custom APK, so to speak, sideloaded. Now let's open the reminder. All right, so first things first, we also are getting here a new tip. I didn't saw this the time I was doing my test in the morning. You can apparently sync this also with Microsoft To Do. I also entered here a new reminder, the reminder video. So right now this is the reminder, okay, reminder video. You can set up the usual stuff. You can go here and take a picture on select the picture you already have. You have also the categories light, medium, and alert. And also you should be able to try to pin down some of the categories. So see here, guys, here we have now not gaming or category 1, which is actually quite new, and this is something that was not there before. Now right now I have not gaming, so I can probably go and just try to add a test reminder. So let me just add test reminder here. Now I can see I have 4 reminders. One is not gaming and other 2 that are not here for some reason. And if I am to click right now here, guys, probably should be able to just move it around. What about pinning? So let's say if I want to kind of pin this down, guys, I can select it. I can highlight this being an important, right? I don't see the option to pin, so let me just try to do it one more time. Complete, move, important. Can I move this between the categories? I can. So I can apparently put this also to gaming. Let's check how this new pin option works. This is already an important reminder, but if I click here, there is an option pin important to top, which means that eventually when I go to gaming and I'm gonna have more reminders, this is gonna be pinned to the top. So let's just add another one. All right, this is not gonna be important. And the C one, this is pin, is gonna be on top. Okay, and if I am to click here unpin from top, then you see tomorrow and no alert. And if I am to, let's say, pin important top, automatically this is gonna get pin on top. And about the categories, you can click here, you can edit, you can hide, change, so there are really plenty of stuff to do. Now let's check the calendar. This is the second update we got. So right now I'm here. Right, you can choose month, or you can choose, let's say, the week. The moment we enter inside the settings, all right, we can change the calendar style, guys. So let's just check, guys. So event colors very muted or bright. You can also get like very bright, which is actually not that bad. You can also let event titles warp. If you have very big titles, then they're gonna warp to the screen. You can also enlarge the phone if you want, dark mode on and off. You can just check with matching your phone setting, which is actually quite nice. So this thing for sure is new. This calendar style thing is kind of nice. And the second thing I want to share you guys is the alert background. So again, we have these 3 options, light, medium, and strong. This is in line with the reminders, but we have also the option to choose an image or color for the background of your alerts. So let's select an image, guys, so you can have something from your own images, or you can select any of these colors here, which is also quite nice. Default alert times, you can also check this. So it seems that Samsung are putting more and more effort into upgrading their app. Now, honestly, guys, I'm not a big user of Samsung Calendar. I still still think that the Google Calendar is a tiny bit better, and it's just the fact that Google is so automated everywhere you go and all the devices that you use, which is also of course possible with Samsung, though yeah, we can have Google or Google mobile services on non-Samsung phones. But those are the updates, and with that said guys, one last thing to check, it's the tips. So I'm just gonna update the tips and see if we're gonna get something new. Usually new stuff is allocated with some red dots, so it's still the standard stuff. What is new inside the One UI 6? If you go to settings, notifications, stuff like that. Tips is a very nice piece of software if you're new to Samsung, so apparently there's going to be a lot of things you can discover straight away here. Thank you so much for watching guys. Keep watching this month S24 Ultra, that's coming for sure. Peace to you over and bye.